amongst the trading houses, given the current climate, Thanh Ha. Itochu seems to be more tilted to the downstream consumer business as opposed to the Zaibatsu companies like Mitsubishi, Mitsui and Sumitomo. Is that a accurate way of framing how we approach the trading houses?
Well, these trading houses, they are more like private equity funds with three buckets of businesses. On one hand, you have the upstream commodity, energy, and metals businesses. And traditionally, the Zaibatsu companies, Mitsubishi, Mitsui, and somewhat Sumitomo was more earlier in the game to buy up these assets. On the midstream, you have the B2B businesses like power gen, etc., and a lot of industrial businesses. And on the downstream, you have the B2C businesses, consumer-facing businesses. And obviously, Itochu is more, geared to downstream businesses, and hence their, downside, resistance is higher. But I think we are seeing Sumitomo Corp to actually, beefing up their businesses on that base, portion as well. So I think that Sumitomo Corp and Itochu has more non-resources businesses compared to Mitsubishi and Mitsui, which has more resources portion.
Thanh Ha, how much influence is Warren Buffett and Berkshire Hathaway exerting? Because the Japanese trading houses seem to be a firm favourite of his. If Berkshire are buying more shares in these trading houses, then should the general market as well follow as a rule?
Oh, massively. I mean, having Warren Buffett almost 9% stake, so this is the largest non-US stake for Berkshire Hathaway, it basically helps these companies to focus. And the main focus now is to focus on capital efficiency. In the past, these trading companies have been increasing their balance sheet and were, venturing in businesses no matter what the returns are. Now you're seeing them to focusing on ROIC versus WACC. And, they have a double-digit ROE target. On the median basis, these guys are making 12 to 14% ROE now compared to mid-single digits in the past. So in order for them to keep this high return on equity profile, they have to do buybacks, which they have been doing it consistently. And they have a progressive dividend policy where they are raising dividends. And they said that we can either keep dividends flat or we can raise it, but we can't cut it. So all that obviously helps these trading companies to re-rate to a different level.